Welcome. In this video I'm going to demonstrate a technique that has had great success rebuilding damaged files from hard drives that have unreadable sectors. This involves recreating a valid file using two damaged files or an older file to attempt to recreate a new one. So in this example I have two damaged pictures. One here, RCK Edit 1 and RCK Edit 2. Both pictures were pulled from a hard drive that had a lot of unreadable sectors. Luckily I had duplicates of this picture in multiple places on the drive, and the chances of having unreadable sectors in the exact location in both files were slim to none. We can use this process on any file such as QuickBooks, QBW files, and any database file like SQL. So let's begin. So I have here race car edit 1. You can see the damage here in the picture from the unreadable sectors, and then we have RC car edit 2, which is on the right hand side, that has damage here as well. So what we do, close that. What we do is we have an application here that enables us to do a compare, and what we'll do is we will grab the primary file, which is one of the damaged ones here, RC car edit 1. We will then choose the secondary file, RC car edit 2. We will then choose the merge folder, which will be the USB drive E. Okay, so from here we now merge the files, and this will do a test and compare any unreadable sectors to one file, replace it from the other compared file, and so forth, and eventually hopefully you rebuild a perfectly working file. So we shall go to the directory where we were. It is in the USB drive here, and it's created a merge file. If I grab this merge file, rename the extension to JPG, and if we go to open up the file, there we have it. It compared both damaged files and rebuilt us a perfectly working file. So thanks for watching. If you think this might be relevant to damaged files you might be having trouble with, my contact info will be found in a link below. Thanks for watching.